What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I think we found out why Shiba Inu has been stuck between the levels of 401 and 4014. We're going to talk about it in this video, of course, right now. And over the last few days, we've actually broken down a little bit from that main resistance line, offering, I think, in my personal opinion, a great opportunity. At least that's the way I see it. But right now, SHIB is facing significant resistance right at this crucial level. And really, we've got 260 trillion tokens that retail investors hold are all distributed or bought at the range of 401 to 4014, making it extremely difficult right now for the asset to break through this barrier without substantial inflows. Put another way, volume, right? Catalysts. I think that could go away once we get SHIB. We have to have something kind of break through, but that's why it's been really boring right now. A key group of investors that could potentially drive the token's price upward, though, are the retail. Here's my take. I don't think the retail has ever come back to the point we saw it at in 2021. There are a lot of people who are holding, but there are not a lot of new people coming in since the FTX debacle, right? And this happened, of course, last year. But really, I think we've seen a decline in retail demand. That retail money will come back into crypto. It's just we're waiting for that next big catalyst. And it could be with the Bitcoin halving, of course. I think we could have another catalyst around regulation. But the lack of interest right now from retail investors may be a consequence of why Shiba Inu's market cap has dipped a little bit, why the price has dipped. But keep in mind, guys, we've saw lower prices in 2022, much lower prices. So it's never as good as it seems. It's never as bad as it seems. But the token has still grown in value. It's still a top 15 crypto. I'm not worried at all. I'm just trying to make sense as to why we have been stuck in this range. And I came across this article. Shout out to you today, by the way, for putting this article out there. And this really hit home with me because I'll tell you exactly why. We have a bunch of people who bought in right at these levels, and it's creating a ton of resistance, right? The current resistance level faced by Shiba Inu highlights the challenges that this token is encountering right now as a lot of community tokens attempt to really establish themselves in a highly competitive environment without the support of small investors. Remember, that's what drove the price of SHIB to new heights. Retail, money, mom and pops, Jimmys and Joes, people just doing their everyday thing, their 9 to 5, looking to put a little investment somewhere, and hopefully it would turn to gold at some point down the line. Those small investors matter. We talk a lot about the whales. There's a reason why those people matter as well. But the retail demand matters too. Every single person matters within an ecosystem. And without the support of smaller investors and other risk-seeking investors to take the risk to jump into community or meme tokens, it's going to be difficult for SHIB to break through its current price barrier in the short term. However, we're waiting on a major catalyst. Perhaps it could be SHIB. Perhaps it could be just a worldwide market turn, retail money coming back into crypto. We mentioned retail demand hasn't come back. Here's another thing. We have yet to see altcoin season. Bitcoin has been running hot here in 2023. Many altcoins have not been, right? So it's going to be interesting to kind of watch this play out, but that is why SHIB has been stuck in this price range. And I want to get your thoughts. At least that's my opinion. I want to get your guys' thoughts down below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Appreciate you guys as always. And we're going to keep on investing. We're in this thing for the long term. Appreciate you guys. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.